look on use crap and kill the youth them. If a man lend you no money or lend you something important and a man begs about you want to use crap and kill them youth.
Wagwan my viewers, welcome to my channel. So the hombre there expose squash. I say squash broke like dog. A beer cap him a cap him and him mother. Plus gunman go for Rayfield a beer sure and left him flat pan him face. So before me jump in a them review ya, wanna drop some like pan a video ya, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so when me drop new vids, my people listen to this.
Supposed to have to pay me my money. $300,000 they owe me, then borrow $270,000 from me to get boy out of jail. And then they borrow $15,000 from me again if we go take man out of jail again. And the last Sunday before me left, $15,000 more again them borrow. Me can't get back for my money. Me can't get back for me money. Suck on the mother man, no six, no body, I pay beg on the beg and I pay borrow and borrow having pit me hungry I yard man. And the mama they hungry. Bad too. Not have food and yard. I mean I do this because I want to know if Bex I make one wrong move. Because me know how to get back my money out of or me know how to make you feel to get back my money. You hear me tell you no? Suck on the mother squash and squash mother go suck on the mother. Them boy they love sweets and blood clots. You love sweets and beggy now. And I want to buy liquor for myself. I pay teeth you them things. And borrow the youth them things and no man can say nothing about you. No man can say nothing about it. I pay that on the door and when you look on the use crap and kill the youth them. If a man lend you no money or lend you something important and a man begs about you want to use crap and kill them youth. And when Big Vice did attack, you know, me did begs when Big Vice attack, you know, youth. Me did begs your bumbo clock. And I tell no lie. Me did begs when Big Vice attack. Then when me look, me see say, I see him thing, you come and try to do with me. Eh? Shelly, you can't get, remember you tell me so you make big, you and your son they make Big Vice family them dead at Costa Rica. You can't do my family them so, you know. You can't do my family them so, because Jamaica the whole of it there. And I know where your love run go hide. Hotel rent. Well, every hotel got a camera and then got your blood clot picture and for you go there now and go just so then go know your son a pay for your hide. And you can't get nobody else to rent in Jamaica. And you can't take no plane fly go on no small island go hide because you don't have no visa. And they tell everybody around the world say you have visa. You don't have no visa for go nowhere, man. You don't have no visa for go nowhere. You can't go up a Lily hotel up a Brandon Hill go hide. Lily cheap hotel. Me know it to me know everywhere. So I only if just start this styling. That's why I do this because I want to not feel bad. Because I know so people them know so no borrow my money and not pay me back. And then I want to know start war on top of it. That I want to know if you do. Start war on top of it. On two blood clot beggy. And look how long me I want to from the end of November. Yo dog, I'm send my money now man because I'm think to go deal with. Send me money me I'm think to go deal and I want to do. Be a whole out and money can't reach. I'm telling them say alright then, I go take it to life then and then I go make we start the war then you know. I want to do feast I don't know nothing. I don't think I don't know nothing about you know. So what I want to do? Blood clot. Laugh and take it for fun. And I stop pray the youth them over these things and stop pray next artist them. And go look tune squash. And go look blood and go put in the work and tap blood clot bad mind the youth them. Tap bad mind the youth them and go look work youth. When you grow same like when your mama. Only thing Bobby 6 worse than you, exactly your mother. I know the mama they sell the pussy a back road, but you want can borrow money from him man, beg him. Him not tell us the bigger brother say, yo, him man sell pussy on a back road here. When nah talk so the man sell pussy on a back road. And the tune where Chronic Lord do say salt y'all that of Shelly. Cause Shelly a try to get the dog pussy and dog no take it. You see me? Bad mind Chronic Lord thing bad. Every day them get up. Them blood clot shot Chronic Law. And they on the boy name. And then they lead on to Tommy Lee name. And then they lead on to TJ name. And then they chat Jamal Dunceman for no reason. And Jamal Dunceman a boy will rate them and respect them. And then they on the man name every day. Shelly build fake phone number and sitting. And I text me like a Jamal man. And I get mad and I get corrupt. And one girl saying said to Shelly, say, Shelly, stop do that. Stop do that. And he still continue to do it. Suck on the mother man. All youth where they say 6 and no grown squash them and we learn about them. Or make you and them a chat and see. Anything you have them want it for borrow. If you don't think and lend them your things or lend them your money, just watch what happen. You know a dead man if you don't talk. But me and a boy with them the blood clot boy they can ramp with the ear because I don't have to send man to go do nothing or send a man for enough program. You see me? All 6 suck on a mother man. For me team no beg. For me team no borrow. My team no beg and no borrow. You hear that? Suck on a mother. Brawling. I make the world know so no beggy. Enough of the youth them want to kill. Enough of the youth them want to say an informer. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. You know, borrow the youth them money or no take something for the youth them and the youth them and say, yo, I want the thing. I want the thing I know in a dog. I want to do start give the man them bad vibes. Eh?
I got stressed out. I pressed
When I start giving you them bad vibes, I'm one and I'm telling myself, give me my money. And in a ear. And in on top of that, and not done. You hear that? That me I tell you no pussy. It not done. And it not done. Until you no pay me my money. It not done until you no pay me my money, dog. And I'm last word that me have to say to you. It not done until you no pay me. Everybody I got ear with their ears now. And I know life when I go ear pan again, do ear with the ears. Remember me telling you people. Alright.
When you hear that, my viewers, some people make we talk about that one, you know. The brother say squash them broke like dog. A cap them a cap. A them a corrupt the thing. The man a say him want back him money where him lend them for bail out them friend them. So my viewers, me tell you this. Friend always a go turn enemy. No loyalty, no inner badness. And with the boy, and we know where I go on boy, and we know who want who for drop on them face boy. Everybody in the street from Mobile to Kingston don't know say squash them one chronicler them for drop on them face. Cause them have it say him go against the system, him switch and go and friend the enemy them. When you hear that my people, so as what I say my viewers, when you hear what the man I say, right? I talk up a bag of thing about squash mother, right? When you feel when squash hear this now my people, how you think this a go on? Eh? A be a war a go on down a Mobile no my people. And that's why you see the badness down them side they can't stop, you know. Cause when I say, the man them a walk with vengeance in them heart. You hear that? Revenge is a must. Reprisal have to happen, me I tell you no my people. So as when I say, a brother there say squash them owe him money. A brother there say squash them broke like dog. A be a cap them cap. A them a corrupt the system down a Mobile and this and that. How much money mo want to drop on them face and a pretend like say him and the youth them a friend. Well, as when me always tell the youth them, no loyalty no inner badness and a friend always a go turn enemy. So my people, tell me what you think about that incident there. Me a move on to our next topic now, where we are gonna be sure with a brother you wanna see on the screen. Gunman go for Rayfield brawling, me I tell you no more people, and go slap 5-9 ball in him face. See the no more viewers, the badness reach out a whole harbor. My people, every other day me I tell you no, this a go be the topic boy ya. Man a drop on them face, gunman pull up and left the app flat. Cause when me say, war nah go stop boy ya. You them a get up every day and a put them time and them energy into this senseless thing ya. When nah elevate them, it nah build them, it nah make them be a better man or make them get richer in a life. It just a make them go down the drain. Dead men's, cell block settings though. So as when I say my people, see me Rayfield, man them go fee and go slap 5-9 ball in him face, and as when I say, revenge is a must. Cause Fim family them a go walk with this in a them heart for whosoever take him 3 points. So as when I say my people, the badness now have no end. Boy has become a battlefield. Every day, this unnecessary war. And we no see no way out of this. We no see who can come save we in a this. When you hear that, some people, what I always tell you no say, stay safe out there. Don't make it on the dead list. You see me?
Argument done.